all, I am very, very, very grateful for the warm welcome you have given me. And I'm extremely happy to be back home. I extend my gratitude to all Kenyans who have stood with me, who have stood with the Bill of Rights in the Constitution, who have stood with the cause of justice, who have stood with the dictates of democracy, who have stood with the principles of the rule of law. I would like to extend my gratitude to the judiciary that stood firm on the side of the rule of law. I must extend my gratitude to Kenyans that voted overwhelmingly for the Kenya Kwanza government, because that is central for me. Without this administration, I would not be back home. So I am thanking His Excellency the President, the Deputy President and his administration, and everybody else who has worked tirelessly to make sure that my rights are protected and the rights of every other Kenyan. What has happened to me should never have happened to anyone else. A Kenyan-born citizen cannot be discarded, removed forcefully from the country, and banished in a foreign land. The legal redress was already sought, and I already have a lot of court orders. And of course, justice, without justice, you cannot have peace and reconciliation. So we must have at the cornerstone of everything justice. So all those court orders that were accumulating and everybody was peeing on, they will be enforced. And there are many, many more other court orders to come. Yes. So no, these guys who behaved with impunity, the goons that were holding state at ransom, will be held to account. Viva!